Hey guys, what's going on? Thought I'd do an update on these two stocks up here. Before I start, make sure you like, subscribe, comment below, and let me know your guys' thoughts for tomorrow and next week and all that stuff on these two. So today, probably the two hottest stocks in the market right now are Gamestop and AMC. So as most of you guys probably know, if you were, in the market or looking around, or it's everywhere, Facebook, Google, whatever. It's literally everywhere. And it's probably one of the craziest things I've ever seen happen in the market personally. Like, this is nuts. Like, I can't believe people did this. So if you're not familiar with it, basically there was a website and Reddit and all these individual stock pickers just said, hey, we're running up GameStop and AMC, and the stock went from like $3 a couple months ago all the way up to, like, GameStop went from $3 to like damn near I think it went to over 300. So, I mean, that's ridiculous profit. If you bought $3 to 300 in 3 months, that's stupid money. So I'm going to hop around here just because we're talking about the stupid money. Some dude bought 50K worth of shares in April, I believe. He did a bunch of put and call options. He did a put on GameStop going down and it hit. And then he did a call option right after the put and turned 50K into $50 million. I don't know if he took all his money or cashed out yesterday, but at the peak of GameStop, he was at $50 million off 50K. That is literally insane. So whoever that guy is, I mean, that's life-changing, clearly. So that's awesome. So Robinhood, TD, Ameritrade, and Fidelity, a bunch of these, trading companies basically said, hey, we're like, I don't know if you guys have been on the, if you're in the market, not in the market, but every time I went into my Ameritrade account, it would pop up saying, we're suspending this, or we're looking at this, or just crazy stuff. So basically the hedge funds lost millions and millions and millions of dollars with people manipulating the market with these two stocks. So it's just crazy. So I literally said to myself last night when it was going nuts, when it was at $300, I literally said, Wall Street's going to step in, Wall Street's going to do something not ethical, and Wall Street's going to ruin this for everyone so people don't continue to do this other stocks. I knew they were going to do that. That's why I don't have a position in either of these guys. I just didn't want to go near it. If you guys haven't watched my previous videos, I'm a long-term investor. So clearly playing stocks, swing trading, and day trading, it's not my style. I just feel like if it works for you one time, it's going to not work for you 5 after. So it just doesn't pay off, and then people get a bad taste in their mouth, and then people say, oh, the stock market, oh, it's gambling, and all you do is lose money in it, and this is that. Well, if you are playing these two plays right now, you literally are gambling, no question in my mind. And then you're going to get a bad taste in your mouth, and then you're going to probably never go back in the stock market again because you say it's stupid and you just lose your money. If you play these, I kind of agree to a certain extent. So my thoughts on where these two stocks are going to go, I could see them do one of two things, obviously. I mean, it can only go up or down, but I really, for some reason, have a weird feeling both of these stocks are going to rally either tomorrow, Friday, or the video is going to air today. So either it's going to rally today or it's going to stay around the same. And then come Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday next week, I could see it skyrocketing again. Like maybe getting back to levels to where it was, yesterday. I just have a weird feeling it's going to do that. Am I going to buy it because I feel that way? No, because it's not worth it to me. Or I could see it doing another thing. I could see it continuing going down tomorrow and going all the way down to where it was basically, and then just staying there again and just being stagnant. So basically, if you went in during the hype or you didn't get in the beginning and you bought in last night or yesterday evening, you're just beat. Like you're down, a lot. So that's why I don't like doing this stuff. If I had more spare, if I had spare money or a little more disposable money, maybe I would have threw, a couple contracts in and said, if it works, it works. If it doesn't, it doesn't. But I don't have that right now, unfortunately. So that's my thoughts on what these two stocks are going to basically do. Like I said before, I've never seen anything like this in the market. It's crazy. I'm curious to see if anything like this happens with any other stocks. I know they were talking about Nokia and BlackBerry. My trading app didn't really bring those two tickers up, and I haven't seen any spikes after these two, but these were like the big two of what happened. So today, if you bought yesterday, from close to close, AMC was down 40% at close today. So that is a big number to be down. You got a lot of catching up to do. GameStop, basically same thing, down 44%. It was down today. So if you didn't sell yesterday, you lost 44%. Which is crazy. If you did like a call option, then you could lose a lot of money. You could almost lose all of it. So it's risky. So it's crazy. So I already talked about it coming back. I told you my two options. I have a weird feeling it's going to rally a little bit, but I don't think it's going to get to all-time highs or go crazy. Because I know a lot of people in GameStop are like, hold. It's going to go to $1,000 a share. I don't see it going there. There's no way, especially now that it's on Wall Street's eyes, and they're gonna, make sure that doesn't happen, basically. So that's my thoughts. So tomorrow I will, what is it? Saturday, excuse me. So yeah, tomorrow morning I will do my weekly Big Four this week. There is some really exciting movement and great percentage. Just watch, it'll be cool. So if you're in the four stocks that I'm adding positions to all year, I think you're gonna like what you hear. So yeah, it's exciting. And I'm also tomorrow, because it's the end of the month, I'm gonna do a monthly overall gain from the 4th of January, that's when the market started this year, to close. So it's going to be cool. I'm really excited to do it all year and see the growth. And I hope you guys, kind of go in with me and believe in these stocks. And I really think you'll be happy with your gains at the end of the year. Like I said, long-term investing is the way to go. You got to be patient. You got to have discipline. And that's really all it is. I just wouldn't do stuff like this. Like, this is bad idea. Now if you want to just gamble, do it. But it's just, the valuations make no sense. All this makes no sense. GameStop's, I made a video about GameStop a couple videos ago. So if you want to know my opinion on GameStop, you can watch that. I'm not going to get back into that again. So like, subscribe, comment below. I'll put an end screen here of the GameStop, what I think is going on with it and my thoughts on GameStop in general. So that's it. All right, peace guys.